Boiling chicken legs. Safe and tasty every time.
Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on how to fully cook chicken legs by boiling. We will guide you through the steps you need to ensure your chicken legs are cooked safely and deliciously. Remember, the key is to achieve a balance between safety and maintaining the chicken's juiciness.
Why boil chicken legs?
Boiling is a simple, efficient, and healthy method of cooking chicken legs. Not only does it help to tenderize the meat, but it also retains its nutrients. Plus, it's a perfect technique if you're preparing chicken for dishes such as salads, soups, or casseroles. Boiling chicken legs is easy and requires minimal supervision.
How long does it take to boil chicken legs?
The time it takes to fully cook chicken legs by boiling typically ranges from 30 to 40 minutes. However, the exact time depends on the size of the legs and whether they're bone-in or boneless. Bone-in legs might take a bit longer to cook thoroughly.
How do I know when my chicken legs are done?
The best way to know if your chicken legs are fully cooked is by using a meat thermometer. The internal temperature should reach at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, to ensure that any harmful bacteria have been killed. If you don't have a thermometer, another way to check is by cutting into the thickest part of the leg. The juices should run clear, and the meat should be white with no pinkness remaining.
Any tips for boiling chicken legs?
Indeed, we have some handy tips. 1. Start with cold water. Place your chicken legs in a pot and cover them with cold water. This helps the chicken cook evenly. 2. Don't overboil. Overboiling can lead to dry, tough chicken. Once the water reaches a boil, lower the heat to a simmer. 3. Season the water. Adding salt, spices, and herbs to the water can infuse your chicken legs with extra flavor. And there you have it. With this guide, you should now be able to safely and deliciously boil chicken legs. We hope this has been helpful, and we're confident that you'll master this cooking method in no time. Remember, practice makes perfect. Happy cooking!